G'day, I'm Adrian and I'd like to share with you a quick tip about how you can combine Microsoft Word and PowerPoint for a really good learning outcome for your students. Now often we'd like our students to do some research and then show their findings in some sort of presentation as part of the assessment. Now sometimes the students get bogged down in creating a really schmick presentation in PowerPoint but are really light on inside the research. So what if we use Microsoft Word for the research and then PowerPoint for the presentation, but use a really quick little tip to be able to create a PowerPoint presentation quickly. So let me just quickly jump into my screen, and here we have our document that we've made. The students have done an assignment on renewable energy and we want to export that into a PowerPoint. Now I'm inside the online version of Word. If I come up to File and come to Export to PowerPoint, it will look at my slide deck and then come up with a presentation based on what's in that slide deck. That looks pretty cool. Then I can export it. This will now prepare my slide deck and export it for my students to be able to use and access, which is really handy. Once we open the presentation, it'll build out in front of us. Now you can see it's added the Designer tab on the right hand side, so we can come through and change the design of these pages if we wish to, but I'm pretty happy with that as a really high level overview of my presentation. Now, let me just jump out of that screen share. Now one of the things that happens in the classroom is that we often want our students to be able to do a presentation, and by the time we get to the fourth presentation of our students, we just want to stick a pencil in our eye because it's very repetitive and not a really good presentation. So if we use the presenter coach inside PowerPoint, we can then get the students to rehearse before they come and see us. So let's jump back into my screen share. Let's come across to our present tab, come down to our rehearse with coach. Now this will set up a rehearsal time for students to practice their presentation. Once they start rehearsing, the microphone will listen to them, and as they talk about their presentation, and even if they read their slide deck, like renewable energy is an important topic in the modern world and Australia has made significant progress in this area in recent years. In this report we'll examine the current state of renewable energy. As you can see, it's picking up what I need to improve on. Once I've finished, it gives me a visual report of what I've done. It tells me whether I'm speaking too fast, whether I'm using the right tone, and also whether I'm using repetitive language, and also maybe stop reading the slide deck. Now we can get our students to show this report here as part of their assessment, so it shows that they've practiced before they get to us. Now let me just stop sharing my screen. So what that means is not only are we combining the power of Word as a research tool, we're using PowerPoint as a presentation tool, but using the rehearsal coach so the students can present even better. I think that's a great tip that you can use in your classroom.